Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, we're going to hold our power button, and when you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, which we're going to confirm by tapping on OK, which will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will be in normal mode. Or, well, not actually in normal mode, in safe mode. Once we reboot it again, that's where it's going to be in normal mode. Anyway, we're going to just see it in a second. Okay, so there we go. So as you can see, we are now in safe mode. Now, in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Now, some of those apps that you can see on the home screen are, well, actually a lot of them are pre-installed, but they don't qualify as a default Android app, so they are disabled. And the way I know this is because they just became transparent and grayed out. And if I try to open them up, it gives you this pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Luckily, Facebook is one of them. So there we go. And once you're done with this mode, you're going to go back to normal mode so you can use all your apps. Hold power button once more, and this time around you're going to select restart. The device will reboot and go back to normal mode. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.